Working on a Ford truck. Customer put a new pump on himself. Warranted it, put another pump on. Replaced the line. Didn't know what to do. No power steering. The pulley is broke. The center here is supposed to pull with the pulley. And yeah, it's completely broken, 2 pieces. He must have thought it was built like that. You can tell here it's not quite pressed in all the way. And the pump's got a in and out. Probably blew the new pump installing this wrong. So of course my kit's broken, so rent a dumb kit, order a new pulley, and show you how to put it on. Okay, working on this 89 Ford with the 5.8. Not be able to see. And then we know we got a problem down here. Pop the belt off. This thing's already missing. Looks like plastic clips. Missing some clips. That thing's broken half. Looks like we're gonna have to get the shroud out of the way to get the big kit tool thing in there. Missing a bolt here. Alright, I'll see if I can sneak this out. Otherwise, I gotta pull the fan. Okay, we're gonna be lazy and see if we can pull it with the shroud on. Otherwise, we'll pull the fan and pull the shroud. All right, got this cheesy part from O'Reilly's. The kit, it's like 34 bucks. Cheesy pulley. Metal center, pressed on like a composite plastic. That's what broke on this one. So yeah, if you guys have never used one of these, my Mac kit is broke. So this one fits way in there. Bottom this out pretty much. And you want this side in. You put both halves in, put this on, slide this over. Alright, so it's sliding off the shaft. It's a nice and tight fit, even though the pulley's broken half. So yeah, we'll finish that up. Finally. Super cool. This is the pull it. This is the push it back on. Okay, I ordered a new pump. Got it delivered out here. Seeing if this had any front to back movement, which it does after being rebuilt. So this one down here that does the same thing is good. So I'll return that. We'll press this on with the kit, get it all mocked up here, and show you how. Okay, got the threaded rod in, hand tighten till it was snug. Then we ran this in till it was snug. They say it's this size and this size, but this size is wrong. Okay, got an 11/16 and a 9/16. You can see it on the inside isn't flush with the edge of the pulley, so we still need to drive the pulley on until it's flush. Run this back in, hold this, and tighten this back in and press it in another 1/4 inch. Okay, we got the power steering on, the belt back on, works great. This guy has no coolant or nothing, so filled it up with water for now. Pumped some pressure. Cooling system tester. Run about 10 pounds up there and pressurize the system.